Hi, this is Andrea. I created a book with my dad, and this is Imaginary Planet. Hi, how are you? So, as you can see, this ball is finished, right? It's like done. But we are going to put a few finishing touches.
Few more.
Because it will look way better. So let's start. So let's go to layers and we'll put a clipping mask. So let's put it. We're going to pick our brush, flat brush, and we are going to do the border of the lines. So we got white, and we're just going to start and to the end. We're going to do it all white because that's the light. Now the other lines. So let's go put that there. Not too much or else it will look bad.
Just like that.
And now the third line. So yeah, now we're going to make it really just like that, not too much on these ones because it's on the shadow of the ball, so we're not going to do it too much. There we go. The lights are done. Now we're going to do the shadows. We're going to pick up that color and start. Can you see it looks better?
It's looking way better.
Because now it will look more realistic. Because that looks like now the lines are going into the ball. There we go. Okay, now this part.
And this, and this.
And this. Well, we're going to make it darker because it's there. It's like on the darkest part. Okay, it looks really realistic already. But we're going to add a few more touches, just a few. So now we're going to make a group on the layers for the ball. So I'm going to make a group. So if you don't know what I mean, so I'll show you. We're going to do it like in the background. So not this way to the other way. And do it with all of them except the background and the reference. So now we're going to group it and press the arrow to see all the group. And we're going to name it ball.
Because it's the ball.
Okay, there. Now we're going to duplicate it. And now for this, it doesn't go away. So we're going to flatten this one. Because it's better to keep it just in case if we do something wrong. So yeah, now it's one. It's
only one.
So now, this is a really cool touch that you'll see. It's really cool. So as you can see, the ball, it has a curve there. Do you see it? Because the line goes in, but we don't. So we're going to get our rubber, and we are going to rub off the lines just a tiny bit with monoline from calligraphy. It's like hard brush, but it's really thin, way more thinner. And we're just going to rub it off just a tiny bit right there. Now can you see it? It looks really cool. So we're going to do the same with the other lines. Just a tiny bit, not too much. Because if we put too much, it won't look realistic. There. Now it really looks realistic. Can't you see the difference? Can't you see? Now it's there. Like, now
it actually looks really realistic.
So now we're finally going to do the finishing touches. We're not going to put these letters, but we're going to put something similar. So we're going to go on the tool and go to add and press the fourth button that says add text. We're going to put it, and as you can see, there's a text now. So we're going to put... Okay, there, we put subscribe.
Because you must subscribe.
So now we're just going to move it. I'm going to press the arrow in the corner to move it. Let's spin it right, set, just like that. Okay, now we are going to make a clipping mask. So we're going to make it like that. If you're done, just press the arrow again. And we're going to put something else. So we're going to edit the text. And we're going to press in the corner of the keyboard, edit style. And we can choose our size. And we can choose. So we can choose how we want the letters to be.
Don't you see? There's so many.
But we're going to put impact. Which is
really impact.
And yeah, now to make it even more realistic, it looks like
someone just put a sticker.
So we're going to make it curved, so it looks like it's on the basketball, because it doesn't. So we're going to press warp and we're going to press advanced mesh. And now we can move it around with advanced mesh. Let's do it just like that. Do you think it looks more realistic now? Yeah. It looks really realistic.
It actually looks like it's on the ball.
Okay, I think that's it. So we're done. Actually, I don't really like how it looks like because I don't know why it just doesn't look good. So I like it a bit, but I don't like it like 100%. I like it. No. So I do like it in vivid light mode because it looks pretty cool, but I don't like it 100%. So we're just going to hide it. Wait, we didn't delete it, and we're just hiding it with the square.
By pressing the squares.
Okay, so now we're going to do a little bit of color correction and yeah.
Fix the color a bit.
So we are going to go on the background, duplicate to the background. Well, let's unlock it first. We can drag it wherever we want. I still haven't showed you this trick. So by holding it and then drag, and we're going to put it there. And now we are going to duplicate this, the ball. We're going to hide the ball, and we're going to get the other ball and march down to the background. So if we do a mistake, we still have these spare ones. And now we're going to duplicate again.
And again and again. No.
Just once. And we are going to put the blend mode in overlay because I think it will look cool. Well, now it looks a bit weird. It's too bright and saturated. It's bright, so we're going to lower the opacity a bit so it doesn't look too bright. We're going to put like 61%, something like that. Actually, I'm not sure. 36. Which one do you like best? With overlay or without overlay? I like it with overlay because I think there's more contrast there. Don't you see it? I like better overlay. Okay, we're just going to march down it. And now we are going to the magic wand.
I'll call it a magic wand because it looks like a magic wand.
And we're going to press hue, saturation, and brightness. And there are 3 bars down below, as you can see. And we are going to press this second bar, which is the saturation. And we're going to lower it because there's too much color in this picture. Just lower it, not too much. 42 is good. Okay, now let's go to layers. So now we're actually going to do the finishing touch. The last touch, I think, which is my favorite last touch. So we're going to make a new layer. This is called tint effect. So we're going to pick a color, a random color, turquoise bluish color, like there. It's turquoise, and we're going to drag it to the painting. So we're going to hold this circle, but quick, or else it will change color. And we're dragging it to the canvas.
It looks really ugly now.
But now we are going to put color.
Because it's color.
And now it's all turquoise. We don't want it like that, so we're going to lower the opacity. Like really low. Almost not see it because it's so low that you almost don't see it. But the good thing about this is you can do it with any color. We can do it with red.
It looks really cool with red. It's fire.
We can do it with orange.
It looks cool with orange because the basketball is orange.
We can do it with yellow. We can do it with green, but we're just going to stick with turquoise. Well, it's more blue than turquoise, but I'll just name it turquoise. Okay. Now, so yeah, we're really finished now.
It looks really cool. It looks really realistic.
And I like it so much. So we're done.
Bye-bye.